Hello beautiful people, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Cherry and I do bag unboxing, bag reviews, lifestyle, fashion, and travel videos. So yesterday, I unboxed my new Chanel O Mini Wallet Unchained from their 2020 fall collection, and it's a really beautiful bag. I love the design, especially the hardware. It's really beautiful. I was so over the moon excited yesterday, so I unboxed it right away, and I didn't notice flaws on the bag, and I just saw it this morning while I was taking photos of the bag. In this photo, you can see a dimpling right here. I'll zoom it so you can better see the dimpling. It's here. You can also see that it was tightly stitched over here in this part, that it resulted to these noticeable holes on the leather. And look at this photo. The dimpling is really noticeable on this photo right here. And let's go to the second flaw I noticed. It's on the opposite corner. So can you see the line right here? Let me zoom it so you can further see it. So this is the line I noticed. It's like a dent, or it's more like a crease on the leather. And I also checked this part and this part right here, and I can't see something like this. So here, it's more visible in this photo. It's like a deep crease on the leather. At first, I thought it was a stitching, but as I look close to it, as you can see, it looks like a deep crease on the leather. And let's go to the third and last flaw I noticed on this bag. It's the flap cover. I noticed that when I close the flap cover, this part looks uneven. I thought it's because of the sticker on the magnetic closure. I tried to remove it and still looks uneven. I always need to realign it so it will look straight, but goes back to this. And I think it's a major imperfection and doesn't look really nice, so I decided to return the bag. So far, I didn't notice scuffing on the leather, and I really wanted that bag. I waited for like a week, so I was really disappointed. I called my SA this morning. I told her that I already received the bag, and she told me, I'm really sorry, that bag is hard to find, so just bring it here and let's see if we can do something about it. So I went to the boutique and showed the bag to my SA, and I told her to check other boutiques if they have the same bag, but she told me that it's out of stock anywhere. There's no guarantee that she'll find me the same bag again. My heart sank and felt really sad. Then she showed this bag to me. She remembered last time I told her that my next bag will be in this color. And honestly, I fell in love with the color. It's so beautiful. My husband also liked it. He told me that I should get it. So here she is. Ta-da! So here she is, guys. Guys, let me know in the comment section which one do you like better. Is it the Chanel Mini Wallet on Chain in black or in pink? And also, check out my previous video for the full unboxing, ways to wear, and what fits inside the Chanel Wallet on Chain. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first one to be notified when I upload a new video. And also follow me on Instagram at CherryStyleLux, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
It's not for me to say.